Hello, welcome to Compass. My name is Rose Davis and I'm a part of the core development team. And I'll be leading you through this introductory video to CourseSites, which is an interactive free learning platform that we'll be using throughout the program. So, to get you started, you'll be receiving an email invitation that looks very similar to this, except that it won't say introductory oceanography. It'll say something like VRS II Compass Program. You'll see the link to click to confirm and register, which is definitely where you want to start. Now there'll be two options. If you've already used CourseSites in the past, you can actually use the same username and password that you've had in the past. However, if you've never used CourseSites before, you're going to go ahead and click I need a CourseSites account to register. So if you haven't registered, you can register with your credentials from either a social media account like Facebook or Twitter, or from an email account from Microsoft Live, Yahoo, or Gmail. And this is where you're going to enter in your information. After registering, you're going to receive an email confirmation stating that you've registered your account with CourseSites, which will include your username, but it won't have your password for security reasons. And because we only can use the invitation links once, please be sure to write down your username and password once you create your account. And this confirmation email is also going to include the Student Quick Start Guide, which is the document that we're using right now just to review how to get into CourseSites. However, since this document is 112 pages, I'm leading you through this video to give you a quick overview. Once you have your username and password, go ahead and enter them in on the CourseSites.com website and log in. Upon logging into CourseSites, you're going to see a home page where you will see a link for the VRS II Compass program. You'll click on that link to access the course. Once you click on that, you have successfully opened up our online learning platform. From here, you're going to be able to navigate and find information like schedules and meeting the faculty, finding our Facebook page, engaging in discussions, and so on. And if you have any issues accessing CourseSites or technical questions, feel free to contact me at rdavis@sorensen.com, or you can also contact CourseSites directly at any time. You can go to your name, which would be up here, and then down here there's CourseSites support, and you can click on Get Help, and it'll bring up a separate page where you can either live chat with someone or even call 9 to 5 Saturday through Sunday, and that's in Eastern Time. Last but not least, I suggest checking out the student orientation course. You can go back to your home page by clicking on My CourseSites. And once you're there, under My Courses, you should all see Student Orientation, Your Path to Success. Go ahead and click to open up that course. And this will just give you some tips and tricks to learning how to work online with CourseSites. And remember, the Compass staff and faculty are here to support you through your journey. Have fun exploring, learning, and don't worry, you can't break anything in here.